My name is Gabriella and I live in Mesa, Arizona. I have a 1-year-old and she is just the cutest little thing. But yeah, I basically went to the Fresh Start Women's Program so that way I can start a new life and be able to give her the best life possible. Well, I was a stay-at-home mom for 5 years, raising 2 of my stepchildren, and then I had my child. And in February, I recently divorced my husband, so I went to the Fresh Start Women's Foundation where I'm here to start over new.
I love being a stay-at-home mom, but I didn't want to do that forever. I realized that I still want a career. I want to inspire my daughter to reach for the stars. My name is Laura and I'm from Glendale, Arizona. I've worked in the food industry since I was 15, so it's been more than like 8 years. I was a chef I was a GM at one point, and I absolutely didn't like it. I want to take the skills and the strength that I've gained from the food industry and bring it into something better and just more. The way I found Fresh Start was actually through my mom. She told me, I moved out pretty young, and so she was just like, if you ever need help, you should always reach out to the foundation. But after having my daughter, I realized like I do need help and support, so I did reach out, and oh my gosh, it's been an amazing journey with Fresh Start.
So being a part of Fresh Start is something I'm very passionate about. I feel like they give you, of course, like a fresh start on your new career. Everyone's there to help you, succeed in your career, and they're passionate about helping others.
I doubted myself a lot even starting the program. I didn't think that I had skills to be able to transfer to this new job that I know nothing about. This is the first time that I've ever done something like this.
Being an apprentice would really help start my career here at Intel, and it's something that I was really looking forward to during my semiconductor course at MCCD and being part of Fresh Start. I feel like it's giving us women a fresh start on things and showing other women that we can be in this kind of field, and we're able to make a career out of it.
I'm so excited for my next year. This is actually the happiest that I've been in a long time. I'm excited for what's to come, to be able to tell my daughter that I love coming home and being like, look, I did this. I'm doing this to create a better future for me and my daughter.